Where to find the best sites. Things to do while traveling. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about cool things to do with a solderless breadboard. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about cool things to do with a solderless breadboard is www.instructables.com. Specifically the page titled Breadboard How To, instructables.com. This is the link. You can also try www.instructables.com, especially the page My Top 10 Most Useful Breadboard Tips and Tricks. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site sci-toys.com. The web page Fun with Solderless Breadboards, Science Toys. This is the link.